Hey guys, Greg from Pilot Institute here.
Dobo from originalDoBo.
And Billy from the Billy Kyle channel.
So here today, these guys are in town. We're doing a side project and we decided that we were going to do the Battle of the 1 inch. We've been talking about this for a long time. We've recorded a lot of footage using this beautiful machine right here. We call it Octozilla. We have the ability to put drones inside of the drone so that we can carry drones. It's an aircraft carrier, we like to call it, and then get comparative footage. So in the back here we have a TV. Producer Ethan created some awesome footage and put it together, and we are going to guess which drone is in the footage, and then the one who wins is going to get his channel advertised on the other people's channel. These two guys are going to advertise our channel on their channel as soon as I win, and for a week. That's the bet that we have. So you're going to help us. We're going to show you the footage. You're going to see what we're looking at, and then we're going to take our best guess and get some points. So let's get to it.
All right, so the first location is the Battle of the 1 inch sensors. We have the Air 2S, the Lite Plus, the Mavic 3, and the Mavic 2 Pro. So we're gonna go over to the screen and take a look at them.
All right.
I think it's so much more helpful when they're all side by side. Like that's when you can really kind
Yeah,
of see the difference.
you can somewhat get a hint.
Mm-hmm. And it's also crazy to see like how different this footage looks from each other, because when you just have it out,
You don't know. You don't know.
you're just like, oh look, this video looks great, but then like this to me, in my opinion, looks the worst out of all of them. And this one's not too good either.
No, but this drone sticks out though.
Yeah,
That makes it easy.
it's a good drone.
And actually, this drone sticks out too.
The bottom right drone's a good drone.
Yeah, probably the best. These two, I think, are the toughest to figure out.
Yes,
Because they're the closest.
but in my opinion, I think the best looking footage is B, top right. I think that looks
I like top left too, quite frankly.
I think top right is the best. Top left does look good though too. I was also trying to cheat a little bit and see if I could see the whatevers, but that's just Octo.
That's
in the top.
Octo. Don't let the color of
I thought
the
because I
motors.
saw it, and I was like, ooh, I saw a gray leg. Maybe that means it's, I don't know. All right, so I feel like because these are the drones that I fly the most, I felt like I'd probably be able to get them, although I haven't flown the Evo Lite yet. So I was kind of looking for like the footage that I didn't recognize to find out which drone that was.
I think that was the easiest to figure out from the DJI drones, was the Evo Lite.
Okay, I thought it was the Air 2S, but
I know.
nonetheless.
I could pick off the Mavic 3 too.
Yes.
Yeah, the Mavic, there's two drones that look the same. There's two drones that are completely different than the other two, and those two have significant color differences.
Yeah, and it's interesting because you look at each of them on their own, kind of in a vacuum, and they look great. But then when you put them side by side, you're like, ooh, that one's.
You can
not too
pick right
good.
away which one is good and which one you
Yes.
like and which one you don't.
Yeah.
Which is
gonna be cool because like I have this assumption that hey, the Mavic 3's got the best camera, but maybe the Air 2S is gonna be the better looking video.
And when we recorded this, we did the same exact white balance, so it is set on the white balance.
It's so weird how different they are, even though they're the same though.
Yep.
That's why I was looking. I was like, wow, this is really warm.
Yeah,
Yep.
no, I agree. And the last one's really cool. Okay, so moving on to the second location, these are the smaller and the older drones. So we've got the Evo 2, we've got the Lite Plus, the Mini 2, and the Air 2S, which, you guys ready?
Do it.
Yeah.
Ken is cheating again.
No, well, hey, there was no rule stated.
Like you can't cheat?
I'm just saying.
All right, run it back.
All right. Send it away. Can't tell with the first one, but
I'll make my decisions. I see them all. I bet they'd make it easier.
Wow, these are all so similar.
Damn it.
it's tough now because there's two hotels.
Wow.
Yeah, but one hotel is slightly better than the other.
Mm-hmm.
You can sort of tell.
So same location but different footage, but same organization of drones. Oh.
Yeah, that. Yeah. I think I'm pretty much. Yeah, I'm locked.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Let me swap the two.
That one on the bottom left is so warm.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna leave that. I think I'm.
The problem is that I can recognize now which one was from the previous footage. Interesting. it looks different here than it did on the previous ones.
These actually look more alike than they do different.
These two look a lot alike, except the
Yeah.
exposure one is like...
Yeah, I think I got it.
All right, what do you guys think?
That one was definitely more difficult than the first one. Like a lot of similar looking video.
Yeah, I think because there's more green and more blue in this footage than there was on the other one. The other one was a lot of dirt color, which is always very difficult to replicate. So yeah, this was tough.
You want to like just give me your banner now, or we wait? I don't know.
Ken's been really cocky this entire time.
He has been very cocky.
He's like, oh yeah, you know what that?
No, no, no. I'm
Before
saying
we
his
even
banner.
started, no,
No, but that one was even though they were so different, there was two that were very similar, and then there's some things you think about in the past from like the Mavic 2 Pro that you're like, that sort of sticks out
All
in
right,
your mind.
Professor.
But that was tough too because it's two
you're
Hotel,
thinking.
and you know Hotel has a different way of doing certain
But
colors.
even though there's one Autel that was clearly better, and if you're looking at focal lengths, you can sort of see the
Can't get
difference.
focal length from
Focal
that
length.
distance.
Yeah.
Listen to this guy.
Yeah.
Listen to this
The
guy.
landscape. Pay attention.
All right, so the last round that we're going to do is what we call the big boys. We have the Mavic 3, the Evo 2, the 2 Pro, which is not really a big boy, but pretty close, and then the Lite Plus. Those are all of the heaviest drones that we have. So 2 Hotels and 2 DJIs in this
What's going
case.
to be interesting is we've seen most of these drones already, so you're going to be kind of looking for the same things.
You see it, and then you keep like I don't know. I'm
Second guessing
guessing
yourself.
myself. I know I'm racing and second guessing myself. So.
All right, let's
All
see.
right.
Round number 3. Oh, this is the beautiful Dells. Lots of rocks. Send it.
That almost looks like Air 2S.
Whoa.
Wow.
You had on there 2 Pro. Was it Mavic 2 Pro?
Mavic 2 Pro, yeah.
Okay.
Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, here's A again.
Shot in standard color profiles, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no, everything was shot in Vlog, and no, everything was shot in normal.
I need to see C and B again.
I know Ken is looking at my list.
I'm not looking at your list.
Oh wow! Look at the difference there.
Shit.
There is such a difference.
Damn. Damn.
Dude, this is beautiful footage. Look at this
Damn it.
comparison.
I'm having such a hard time.
All right, so producer Ethan is going to tell us the results now. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
He's
I'm ready to know.
He's like,
I want to know.
I want
So
my
you go
banner.
A through D?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, A.
This is test 1. A is the Air 2S.
Oh, okay.
All right, Ken. I'm going to start the count. 1 point.
So I thought that A was, like, the Air 2S is super blue. That's why I put it at the end.
what they are because I use these drones every day.
I got the Mavic 2 Pro, which is pretty close.
Okay.
It's DJI, so.
What's number 2?
B, Mavic 3 Cine.
Okay, I got that one right.
Ah, I got that wrong too. All right.
You ready for C?
Yeah. Well, I know I got it wrong.
Between 2.
Yeah.
Mavic 2 Pro.
So you guys had that one in common,
Yeah, and then I obviously got the last one wrong here.
and I think I got the last one right.
Which is the light.
Oh!
Wow,
You
he's got all four.
Awesome. All right, so I got 2. You have 1.
Whatever.
Hey, whoa. I got 2.
No, you got 1.
No, I have 2, right?
So I got 4 points.
And then Ken
Oh,
has
okay.
4.
Well, I guess I'm last. Oh no, I want to see. So tell me again, Ethan. A was
A is the Air 2S.
okay.
B is Mavic 3. C is Mavic 2 Pro. D is Light Plus.
Okay.
So which one do you guys prefer? Now that you're looking at this without knowing what it is.
I actually prefer C. I think C
No,
is
C
the
is,
most natural.
C is way too warm.
No, I think it looks.
No, it's
just
way too warm.
Which one
B,
do you like?
B is the best in
I
my
like B.
opinion.
I like B too.
You like a lot of cool things though. I
But
like
that's not
warmer.
cool. That's perfect.
I like warmer.
If you look cool, D is cool, C is too warm, B is right in the middle. It's perfect.
I like B as well.
And
know, I
for
like
A,
C.
I mean, look, for A, the reason I went with that is because I haven't flown the Evo Light, and I was like, wow, that gimbal's all out of whack. So I saw it tilting the side.
Oh,
I'm like,
you know what?
Yeah, that's the problem of being in the
Don't use your brain.
in the cyclo. Okay, so Kenny, you got
All right.
4 points.
All right, so moving into number 2 here, the second test. You've got 4, you've got 1, I've got 2.
Yep.
Yeah.
These were the smaller sensors, so.
Yeah.
All right,
I had Mini 2 for the first one, Air 2S for the second one, Evo 2, and then the Light Plus.
All
So
right.
I think we're all in agreement. The first one was the Mini 2, is
Yeah.
that right?
Mini 2s.
What's A?
Yeah, A's mini
Okay.
two.
Woo!
Awesome.
1.
All right, so 2 points for Ken, 2 points for Greg, 1 point for Billy.
Ken, do you want to tell us what number 2 is?
Evo Pro. Evo 2.
Evo 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So I get that one. You got it. Hold on, you got it right.
C, yeah, I got that one right. C is
Air 2S.
Light Plus.
Light Plus. Goes to
Oh,
Billy.
wow. Got that one wrong.
2 points for Billy.
And that means D is Air
got
2S, right?
I got that.
It's Air 2S.
Wow, Billy gets them
Wow.
all.
That's a sweep right there.
1, 2, and I suck again.
You're a drone pro, right?
So now this is going to come down to
I didn't want them to say that I cheated.
what? Are you cheating?
No,
Oh.
no, because I would really suck at cheating if I was cheating right now.
So we're moving on to number 3, and this is worth the most points here.
This is for all
This
the
is
marbles.
5 points.
This is for all the banners.
Yeah, 5 points per drone, so.
So I get the Mavic 2 Pro for the first one because I think it's got that color profile.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a bit different.
it's
then,
warm.
Then I kind of, it looks like the next two look like they're hotel. So I get Evo 2 at first and then Light Plus. And then the last one about the Mavic 3, which I hope is not the Mavic 3 on the last one because it doesn't good.
No.
Okay.
That's
I'm
cool, like the Light
I'm
Plus.
thinking you've got 2 right. I'm thinking for A, Mavic 2 Pro, B, Light Plus, C will be M3, and then D, Evo Pro. Evo 2 Pro, yeah.
What do you think, Billy?
I have Evo 2,
Yeah.
Mavic 3, Mavic 2 Pro, and the Light Plus.
Wow, so you two are completely opposite.
And I mean, really, it's only a competition between you
Oh,
guys.
You
it's
guys,
bad.
well, you guys are almost tied, so I think Billy is leading right now at 9 points. You had 8
Just say,
points, and I'm at
I want to
3
look up
points,
the
so-
resolution of a banner.
Well, hold on before you do that. Let's get to it. So first one,
Mavic 2 Pro.
everybody gets 5 points.
Let's go, baby!
Hey, I did Evo 2. I did Evo 2 for that
1,
one.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just like that, I'm almost tied with Billy.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay,
B.
B.
Bye, guys.
Light Plus. Ken, do you just
Wow.
I can just call them off.
See, that's pretty interesting because
You
the
guys
light-
were so focused on color, you didn't focus on any of the focal lengths. The Light Plus has an entirely different focal range than
But
the
you
Evo
can't
2.
tell differences.
Absolutely,
You can't tell differences.
I
Absolutely.
mean, I
From
knew
this.
it was,
Perspectives.
I knew it was an hotel, but I didn't think which one. So I got.
It's surprising because
got
it
half
looked
points.
it looked so blue
I got
in
that.
the previous.
All right, next.
C.
Yeah.
Mavic 3.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah,
Who invited
I
this
actually
guy?
then I didn't get any of them right on this one, and I did say it was the most challenging.
And last one.
Evo 2.
Look at that. Wait, did you not get any right?
What is that, Greg?
All right, 5. All right, I hope you had fun. Tell us in the comments what you guys thought the footage was, and tell us if you did better than Ken or if you did better than I did, or this guy right here. This was really interesting. I really enjoyed that. There will be a lot more of these in the future. We have Octo tuned in. We actually just installed a very beautiful carbon plate on it, so we can do more of this footage. You'll see some of it is a little bit shaky from time to time. That was because we didn't have the proper equipment on there, but now we have vibration plates and everything. Any last word? Well, no, I'm going to ask this guy first. Any last words?
Yeah, Ken, you know my email to send over a banner, so you know,
I'm gonna get
whenever.
those PNG files
Yeah.
right over to you
You
guys.
use PNG,
PNG.
PNG, yeah, you're gonna Billy
PNG?
Kyle it. PNG.
JPEG.
No, PNG. I want to,
You're getting a low-res JPEG. Ken, congratulations.
Thank you.
Any last words?
You guys have this in pink or?
Actually, we do.
Okay.
Actually, we do. Let's make it happen right now.
Oh, that'll work.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe. Also, go check out these guys' channel. We'll put a link in the description, and we'll see you for the next video.
Peace.
Stay original.